Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to play Mario Kart 8 online with friends. So let's get started. Number 1. Launch Mario Kart 8. Start the Mario Kart 8 game on your Nintendo Switch and ensure you are connected to the internet. Number 2. Select Online Play. From the main menu, choose the Online Play option. Number 3. Create a Join a Room. Select Friends to create a room. If you want to join a friend's room, have them invite you. Number 4. Invite Friends. If you created the room, invite your friends to join by selecting the names from your friends list. Number 5. Choose your characters and cards. Once everyone has joined, each player selects their character and customizes their card. Number 6. Start racing. Begin the race by selecting the track and confirming your choices. Enjoy racing with your friends. Have fun in Mario Kart 8. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.